Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue when Coinbase says you can't withdraw funds. This usually happens for a few common reasons, and the good news is most of them are easy to solve. First, check if your account is fully verified. Coinbase may block withdrawals if your identity verification isn't complete. Next, make sure you don't have any open holds. For example, if you just deposited money with a bank transfer, it can take several days before those funds are cleared for withdrawal. Also, double-check if you have any security holds. Changing your password or enabling two-factor authentication can sometimes trigger a temporary lock for safety. Another tip, ensure you're withdrawing within the allowed limits, because each account has daily and weekly caps. If none of these apply, it might be a technical issue. Try logging out, clearing your app cache, or switching to a browser. And if the problem persists, contact Coinbase support so they can review your account directly. Subscribe the channel for more videos.